Hoarding a mountain of survival plan without the discipline to hide, it creates a major tactical vulnerability. Without operational security, you are simply stockpiling a supply depot for the most desperate person in your neighborhood. A real grid-down scenario is cold, starving, and quietly violent. It looks nothing like the heroic fantasies beginners play out in their heads while they browse survival catalogs. High-end equipment creates a massive liability when the person holding it lacks a tested tactical framework designed for a worst-case scenario. Mistake number 1 is the bug-out bag overload. Beginners frequently pack 60 pounds of equipment, including heavy axes and multi-room tents, treating a life-or-death evacuation like a weekend car camping trip. Veterans pack for a 3-day rapid movement using a simple standard: ounces equal pounds and pounds equal pain, which brings us to mistake number 7, ignoring physical fitness. Your body is your primary weapon. If you get quickly winded walking up a flight of stairs, a $5,000 gear stockpile is essentially useless. Mistake number 2 is prioritizing gear over skills. Amateurs buy a $150 trauma kit, but have never actually applied a tourniquet under stress. Gear is dead weight without the muscle memory to use it. Physical conditioning and professional medical training provide a much higher survival return than any new piece of equipment you can buy. Mistake number 3 is the lone wolf fantasy. The belief that a single person can defend a suburban homestead against all threats indefinitely. Isolation is a tactical error. Humans need sleep, and a single person cannot pull 360-degree security. Veterans build trusted communities to share resources and maintain 24-7 watch shifts. Mistake 6, lack of intelligence. You can have 10,000 rounds, but if you don't know what's happening 2 streets over, you're blind. Survival requires and ham scanners to listen locally, tracking threats without ever transmitting. Mistake number 4 is ignoring light and noise discipline. Running a loud gas generator and bright lanterns at night turns your home into a beacon for every desperate person in a 10-mile radius. Veterans maintain absolute stealth. Use blackout curtains to trap light indoors, red light headlamps to preserve natural night vision, and silent solar battery banks for your essential comms. Mistake number 5 is the calorie delusion. Beginners hoard thousands of MREs while completely neglecting water procurement and human waste management. Untreated waste and contaminated water cause death by dysentery long before starvation. You need heavy contractor bags, unscented bleach for chemical sanitation, and reliable gravity water filtration. Grid-down survival demands strict environmental discipline and aggressive field hygiene, regardless of how uncomfortable it gets. True preparedness is an invisible state. It is measured by the skills in your head, the physical condition of your body, and the strict discipline of your daily actions. Veterans survive by adapting to the brutal realities of their environment, instead of relying on expensive tactical toys. Stop the shopping spree and start the training. If you can't hike 5 miles with your bag right now, your gear doesn't matter. Subscribe to VoltBandit for grid-down tactical reality. Get fit, stay quiet, and stay alive.